Here I have Motorola Moto E22i, and today I'm going to show you how to transfer files from internal storage to SD card on this device. So firstly you should open Files application. You can transfer like downloads, images, videos, audios, documents and apps. So let's transfer some image. To select it, you just hold down your finger on it like this. To select multiple images, you just tap on them just once, like this. So then you tap on three dots, select if you want to move or if you want to copy these photos. So let's copy. Then select if you want to copy to internal storage or to SD card. To SD card in our case. Here you can select any folder you like. Could be pictures for me. And tap copy here. And after that, these two files will appear here on your device. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.